Hello everyone, WordPress buddies. I came up with my crazy weekend work with AI and WordPress. So you are seeing a screen here. This is a page. It's not a page. It's a theme I have created with AI and for WordPress. This is lookalike. If I refresh the page, you can see this is a complete spiral binded notebook which you can use within WordPress. Like if you have a content like previously in your past, we write content on things in notebooks. So from there I got the idea, okay, WordPress is a notebook. We can write things there easily and publish. So why there is no a theme like notebook? Well, I want everything within that, and I built a classic theme, but that has support for block editor. Also has support for the mighty WPBakery. It comes with templates, patterns, WPBakery elements, and heavily it supports WooCommerce and everything, and it gives all styles. So, without talking too much, just scrolling a bit, just you can see what it goes. This is the basic homepage. If you install the theme, you get all this information here, and all the content are editable with the customizer. Or if you're using a builder like WPBakery and block editor, you can create your own homepage and you will get same type of design. All the elements which I built all are available as WPBakery element, WPBakery template, and block editor patterns. Which one you prefer? It's up to you. But things is, like, the most interesting part I have added, like, oh, I want to have the real page turnover style, like I want to read the block. Have you heard the sound? It has a sound of a page flip. Oh, you can change the sound. There's a default sound, also you can change that, and it comes with beautiful highlighter table of content. You can customize that. This content is a dummy, and in the blog you will get share this post. Also you will don't need any share like thing. Also you will get a beautiful author bio, and also you will get this kind of effects in your image added there. I will show you. This can be customizable. You don't need. My RAM is killing. So also for related post, you can see mesmerizing things here, like it's like something like notebook. You were adding images for your content. You highlight that is the pen highlighter, and there is a comments are looking cute, and it's like informations, and footer area also has the all information, and it's also dynamic. Oh, we always forget to change the year, so I added the dynamic things. And mostly the spiral things, I'm so excited with that because the spiral binding, it kills my most of the credits. So yeah, you can see the whole reference, and I have added tiny informations like this comes from the plugins. Yes, this type of things are not allowed in WordPress org. This feature should come as a theme plugin or anything, or you are using in the reading time or anything. I've added those information, so how many times it's read it. Most important part, like, is there is a adjunct search. You can search for anything within the page. Sorry, for page means if you are in an archive page, like in the blog archive, it will the search will work smartly. You will search for the blog post. I will show that. Now we are in a common page. This is the blog page, and it has also, I added at the WooCommerce support. I will show that later. Like if you search for anything, like if you search for shop, yeah, you will get it's a search. You will get here the base flip sound here. Also, you can turn off that if you want to do. And you will see the all WooCommerce information here. And why I opened that, because to show that, like here you can see the placeholder search for product. Like, oh, if I want to do some album, yeah, you can see from here you can do the album page, album product page. So here you get all the our team related informations. That's cool. And also you get the related products. It supports that. You can add to cart. Perfect. And obviously there is a mini cart. You can add the view cart. There is a tiny bug in the mini cart that can be resolved easily, because this is now showing duplicated information, cutting all informations. So cart page also has the styling of a notebook, but in a better way. And if you go to the proceed to checkout page, you will get our notebook styling there. See, all are there intact as notebook. Or the login page, oh, I'm not going to log in, so like in the 404 page, abracadabra, I'm searching that way. Sure. Oh, the 404 page also has the notebook poster card type of thing. Moving forward, you can do all the things, like you can edit your homepage content. I don't add like from the customizers. Most of the people forget about the customizers because of the block themes popularity, but it's a very insane tool WordPress has. I always waited for that. And it will get all information from here, like from here notebook styling. Hey, this is the page sound settings and page flip settings. You can add your own sound. Also you can use the default one, card animations and image filter. Now I have duotone, all the things right now. Also you can set the hover effect if you want to have hover effect or not. Also link, there is a link styling there, like here, you can find the link styling. You can add your own link styling, custom link color. For the header menus also you can exclude. There are some exclusions available here, so those are excluded. Now the thing is, most of the things you can do, like WooCommerce styling, 404 page styling, like the 404 page content, you want to change that yes, it's possible from here. And oh, there is a login page content. If I logged out, then I have to log in again, but for doing that I will try to do that in an incognito mode. Like, okay, log in, you will see the login page also has our style. You can change your site logo, will be placed here, replaced with the WordPress logo. You can change the text, like here in the customizer you can see logo text. You can use the logo text, the logo image, and whatever you want. So these are the things you can do. And also every element can be edited from here, like if you want, yeah, you can show the placeholder text and you can edit from here. Now moving back, there are so many features I have added. Most of the things, also the interesting part, you can reset, like you can do anything, you can reset anything, you can export the design, you can restore or reset to default. Everything can be done, all the advanced things can be done. Most interesting part, which is always forgotten by anyone, like advanced css. Now anyone can write css with the help of the AI, but most of the cases is it should be a long page, or you have to use a better plugin to manage that. But a simple tiny tweak, like I want to tweak my mobile version only, so you can write css for mobile, and it's within the WordPress default advanced css features. So it's cool. I have added these options is needed, because if it's uh, we know you can write media query, but yes, but for people like me, I'm very much lazy to writing and also find the where is the media. Scroll down, but now this tab, the desktop version works globally. Tab version only work on for tablet, and mobile version is only work for mobile versions. So this is how I have added this kind of cool things. In my opinion, these are cool things. A home page, I'm using the latest post, that's why I'm getting this. And there is a load more button. So to have that, like load more filling, like I want to have the load more filling here to get that, like here. Because all the posts are coming in my homepage, so that's why I'm adding load more options. It will have the default sliding effect as well. So if you scroll a bit more, you get all load more contents. So you don't need archive page, but you can build your archive page with all the default things. So like if I go to this page and I want to see my author archive page, like I want to show that because why it's beautiful. Why I'm saying that, because I have done all the things it can be doable. Like people don't have to worry about installing the thing and write everything, it's will be doable. It's cool, right? Also page navigations has its own styling. Now I want to go in the backend. Like I have added an important features which shouldn't be there in that way, because as for WordPress overview rules, I cannot add these features within the theme. But yeah, but this is for testing purpose, and I actually added more information here for users. Like all users, I have only one. This is my local site. One users, I have admin, and it's taking time. Sorry. Please make it fast. Ooh, my PC is cool. So I have added an options. You can upload your local avatar. I think this is pretty cool, right? You can add your local avatar. It should be obvious there, because Gravatar is a very good thing, but the problem with that, like, sometimes people, those who actually don't know about Gravatar, because it works simultaneously. It's a very cool project, but I personally believe this is the tiny things needed, because I need to install a plugin from 10up or any other open source plugins that can help me. But I have added this feature for testing purposes of theme. And for like if I go as I'm in the back end, I will go in the front end. So I want to show you what is in the block patterns right now. First of all, it's taking too much time, but yes, it should work. Don't worry. Testing block patterns. So like here the patterns need to wait. Well, the patterns are not loading. It's there. Why? I don't know. Maybe something has broken again. What happened? There is an issue. Had to fix it. the patterns. So moving forward, in the meantime, I give the prompt to my cursor to find the issue. So I want to try WP Bakery elements. I want to show that WP Bakery elements there. So in the meantime, I hope that will be fixed. So like testing WP Bakery, I want to use the default theme, and for add elements, you can notebook state. You will get all WP Bakery related, like homepage static content. You have added that, and like you will get all homepage static content, and also like if you want to use the templates, the default templates, all you will get all the default templates of what I have added. So you can use those easily. So there is no big deal. So I hope everything is working fine. Now for the WooCommerce, what I have done, that I'm going back to the customizer again. So I want to show more information. Like, okay, I have added JSON we support for single blog posts. There's tons of things you want to add, like you can enable and disable the table of content, and where should be placed, share icon style. From there you can add the share icons from here, and default style and author name and everything will be published or not, how many related posts you want, show related post option, checkbox is available, all the things, estimated reading time. If you want to add the modified information, that's helpful for new AI things. People want to know, AI wants to know its post is ready or not. For post and titles, you can show and hide post titles. So it's always coming from the builders, but I have added in my theme, and the alignment of the post titles, so basic things can be done with that. Also, which I mentioned previously, the 404 page can be done there, and homepage static part is what are the styles, what are the things you want, recent post you want to show, recent post heading sections, load more button, that was I have shared straight developed recent blog post, and you can change that information here recycle. These are the informations like the image and other things which I have previously shown that. Also, if you want to change that, the this one, if you're using a dark image, like you can do that. Like if I'm changing that, there is so many images in my here. I'm using like which one should I try? I have tried so many things, so that's why, like this one, like I'm adding this one, but images have gone vanished. So I have added these options, and this will adjust your design. So these are the cool things you can do with. Also, you can change. This is the very important sections like feature page. Like from here, you can add your case studies or your whatever you want, which pages you want to show here. I have limited this for 3, like for the beautiful look what I feel. So added those kind of informations, and I have shown the mini cart features, cart sections, all the things are done. So I believe it's now working, and patterns should be back. My Visual Composer gave me an alert for that, so I want to try it. Go with the page. So just for testing purpose, let's see what it's done. Vibe coding is now ended in that area. Okay, first thing first, let's see. Oh my god, it's not there. I don't know why sometimes it's happening, the patterns are not coming and no patterns are coming. Sometimes it's coming. I don't know what's the problem there, because I'm not a developer, so it's already vibe coded. So maybe there is a problem. They say it's always break one thing and fix another one, and it's not there. So my thought is like that. Okay, if we can do, like, I am not a developer, but I can create this kind of theme with WordPress. How WordPress is scalable, and AI can understand the WordPress thing very easily because it's stayed in the market for a long time, and it can be doable, and you can do any kind of things, and it's crazy, I believe. And it's blazing as well, so you can create. Also, it's an allowing for people, those who actually want to buying this kind of things. And my belief is, yeah, if you have any knowledge, you can do. It's not like knowledge of coding. It's like what you want, you have to explain to the AI in a better way, so that AI can give you a proper thing what you are looking for. So that's what I build for my testing purpose. Yeah, it's not the good way, but it's just testing, but with a good proper developer knowledge, so how far it can be go. If you have a visionary mind, you can create anything with WordPress or any SaaS tools. Now the AI becomes so crazy. So what's your thoughts? Yeah, I made a blunder here. My Gutenberg pattern is not showing up, and yeah, it's obvious because it's vibe coded and there is a problem. There might be, since it's not fully polished, I cannot sell that theme to anyone because it's not tested. There are so many issues, but I'm excited to share it with you. Yeah, it's become a very long post, long video. Oof, the sound of a page turnover. That makes that these kind of things I build. This is my crazy playground. It's now become my new PlayStation. I have to pay lots of the credits, and yeah, I burn my credits on creating things. Sorry for that. This is for testing and learning purpose. So what do you think, guys? If you have your thoughts, if you want to try the theme, I can share you in the DM if you want that, and I can share the G5 with you, and I will try to add the demo so that you can play around in the front end. Okay, well, while working on that, finally Cursor gave me the solution. It's there. Someone is creating a bug, so I'm trying to test patterns. What a big minute. Yeah, create all notebook blocks like this one. This is coming from on page content. This is the all the things here. You can do sticky site, section. Oh, it can be editable with the default Gutenberg text. You can change those like everything. To close that, publish the page. I want to see what's going on there. So sometimes it's creating problem because it's vibe coded. You can see all the elements are now here. What I have added, I don't add the image. The setting section is here, so it's all editable. Patterns are there, you can do the things. And good thing is, if you want to hide the page, as I have already previously shown, you can hide the page title from here. So all things are coming from the theme. So oof. And other most important thing is coming up next video, what I built and from where I get the contents. So stay tuned. Ta-da, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to check the WPBakery site, and it has now amazing deal, and it will be goes on, and so we are celebrating biggest birthday sale. So if you want to have that, please visit WPBakery.com, and there is a birthday sales, and you will get up to 75% off on theme license. That's why I have tried these theme creations. So if you are a developer and if you want to have a theme license, and this is a great thing, and you can bind WPBakery theme with your as your builder, and it's 75 you'll get, and it has a single site license. So theme creations is now become easy. That's the process. Okay, the stack, I forgot to mention that the stack I use, the AI tools I have used, I talked with ChatGPT, I create the boilerplate, then I use cursor to make it polish, then my credit gone, then I use my VS Code Copilot to make it, because I don't have that much coding knowledge, so I do all the things in my plain text, and the result is here. You can see the results. So with proper coding knowledge, maybe these kind of things can be doable in a better way. I have the visions, I can create tools now. Okay, see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.